Assalamu alaikum, myself Yusuf Reza, and today I present the procurement for final project. This is the difference of the rules between PEPRA and Balochistan PEPRA regulatory authorities. First one is the short titles and commitments. In this, PEPRA rules are introduced in 2004, and BPEPRA rules are made in 2014. Scope and applicability applicable in federal government, applicable in the Balochistan's BPEPRA rules. Integrity part in the BPEPRA rules, just addition of the procurement exceeding Rs 10 million for goods and works and Rs 2.5 million for services and shall be subject to an integrity part. In the rule number 8, procurement planning, in the just some sentences added. Here is the all procurement agencies shall devise a mechanism. Here the mandatory for the provisions of the procurement planning. Add a rule in the sub rule in the in rule number 8, line about the project planning, such as the estimated time requirement, availability and funds, and assumptions of the about the institution capacity, integrity period, and the and other factors that are required plan adjustment for the successful of the report project. Limitation or splitting regulations from proposed procurement. In this sub rule is added the annual or longer rolling plan, as the case may be, thus prepared, will post it in advance on authority's website as well as on the website on the procuring agency. In case of the procuring agency has its own website. These addition in the BPEPRA rules. Approval mechanism. In this rule, add in the procurement committee shall submitted bid evaluation report with the recommendation of the for award of the contract. Add in the BPEPRA this line. Method of advertisement. Limit of the in PPEPRA limit of 500k to 3 billion advertised on the authority website, over the 3 billion advertised on the newspaper. But in the BPEPRA, limit of 200k to 2 million advertised on the authority website, over the million advertised on the newspaper, over the 2 million advertised on the newspaper. And some addition in the rule number 4, 7 and 8. Response time, it is 15 days for national, and international is 30 days. Was in the addition of the in BPEPRA, first day of publication are considered on newspaper, not mentioned in the emergency response time also in the BPEPRA. Pre-qualifications and suppliers contracts. Addition of section 1D in the case of drugs and services are complex nature. Addition of the word provided that the pre-qualifications may be carried out only to the particular assignment. Process of pre-qualification. Addition in sub rule. Invitation of the pre-qualification and specific contract or package shall be advertised on and notified as per rule 15 and 16. Procuring agency shall on the written request to the applicant communicate to the applicant the reason for the not pre-qualifying through the it shall not be obliged to justify the reason, not define the framework agreements and time duration in the BPEPRA rules. Disqualification of suppliers and contractors. Addition in the B stage in the BPEPRA rules has indulged in incorrupt and fraudulent practices as defined these rules as supplier, contractor or consultant being aggrieved by the decision of the procuring agency regarding disqualification may seek the relief through the mechanism grievance residence as provided under Rule 56. Principal method of procurement: addition of the sub-rural international competitive bidding and the national competitive bidding in the BPEPRA. Submission of the bids. These in the BPEPRA exclude the word sealed on in this rule. Bidding documents: addition of the sub rule 32 to a copy of the integrity pact to the signed by the parties where the applicable. 32 to O added in the any other information which are specific in the regulations to be issued by the authority, and 23 are added for all procuring agencies shall host the building documents authority website on the website of the procuring agency in case of the procuring agency has its own website. 24 add in the rule number 28 reservation, add a word consultant only. Bid security: addition in that rule number 29, the procuring agency may require the bidders to finish the bid security of 2% in case of the procurement of bids in the from the bank guarantee or deposits from the scheduled bank. Bid security vary from 2% to 5% according to the procurement project, how much is longer, and bid security in the PEPRA is always 5%. Now present the Muhammad Arif from the next 26.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, माय नेम इज़ मोहम्मद आरिफ। मैं रूल नंबर 26 से स्टार्ट करूँगा जो कि बिड वैलिडिटी के हवाले से है, और BPEPRA में ये बिड वैलिडिटी रूल नंबर 13 पे है। बिड वैलिडिटी इन पेपरा में ये अकॉर्डिंग टू टाइम स्पेसिफाइड है इन डॉक्यूमेंट्स के मुताबिक, एंड बिड वैलिडिटी इन BPEPRA में सर फॉर नेशनल मोर देन 90 डेज और फॉर इंटरनेशनल 120 डेज है। नेक्स्ट, एक्सटेंशन ऑफ टाइम फॉर सबमिशन ऑफ बिड्स। BPEPRA में ये रूल नंबर 31 है, इसमें चेंज नहीं है, जस्ट रूल नंबर डिफरेंस है। ओपनिंग ऑफ बिड्स, the bids shall be depend at least 30 minutes after the deadline of submission of bids in PEPRA, and in BPEPRA shall be depend within 1 hour of the deadline for submission of bids. Evaluation of criteria in BPEPRA, this is rule number 34, no change, just only rule difference. Rule number 29 to till 35, just only rule number difference, no other changes. 36, procedure of open competitive bidding. Time is allowed for bidders prepare their only 15 days in the case of national and competitive bidding and 30 days in case of international competitive bidding in PEPRA. And in BPEPRA, time shall not be less than 15 days in the case of national competitive biddings and 45 days in the case of international competitive biddings. Condition for use of single stage 2 envelope and 2 stage 2 envelope bidding procedure. And BPEPRA, this one is 42 number rule. Condition for use of various procedures, only rule number different but no change. Rule number 38 in PEPRA, acceptance of bids, and same like in BPEPRA 43 but no change, only rule number difference. Performance guarantee in rule number 39 in performance guarantee in PEPRA and 44 number in BPEPRA. Performance guarantee not more than 10% of total amount or total value of contract. In BPEPRA, value more than 25 million, and this is not more than 10%, same like BPEPRA. Limitation and negotiation without changing the cost and scope of work services, the procuring agency may negotiate with the successful bidder And in B PEPRA, no negotiation with the bidder having submitted the lowest evaluated bid or with any bidder. Confidentially, this is rule number 41 in PEPRA, and in B PEPRA is 47, but no change, just rule number different. Alternative method of procurement 42 in PEPRA and B PEPRA of 51. Petty purchase limit in 100k and 3 quotations process 1 lakh to 5 lakh, duration 3 years, repeat order not more than 15% on original procurement. In B PEPRA, petty purchase limit 1 lakh to 5 lakh with 3 quotation process, duration 1 year, duration different, repeat orders not more than 15% of original documents. Now 43 on account payments. In B PEPRA is 52. A little bit change within the time given in the condition of the contract, which shall not exceed 30 days. In B PEPRA, with time given in the condition of the contract. Entry into force of the procurement contract is rule number 44 in B PEPRA, and in B PEPRA entry into force is rule number 54, just rule number different, no more change. Closing of contract 45 number rules in B PEPRA, and in B PEPRA it's 55. In case of defect liability or maintenance period, defect liability certificate shall issued within 30 days of the expiry of said period, but in B PEPRA it's within 35 days of expiry of said period. Record of procurement processing, records should be available last 5 years of procurement, and same like B PEPRA, in B PEPRA also 5 years of procurement. It's been no change. And 47, rule number 47, public access and transparency. According this, make all documents related to the evaluation of the bid and award of contract public in B PEPRA, and in B PEPRA contract agreement public through uploading it on the authority website as well as on procuring agency website. Rule number 48, redressal of grievance by the procuring agency. In B PEPRA it's 56, but no change, just rule number difference. Misprocurement, name also change in B PEPRA, which is declaration of misprocurement and consequences. A little bit change, and unauthorized breach of these rules shall amount to misprocurement. And in Balochistan B PEPRA, case will be referred competent authority for initiation of disciplinary action, and also can refer anti-corruption establishment of Balochistan. Now rule number 32, clarification. Rule number 32 to in 27. These rules are these rules are not available in B PEPRA. These rules are just in B PEPRA Balochistan. Thank you, sir.